Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to our 5-minute establishing gratefulness meditation that can be completed on any day at any time throughout your day. Feel free to sit up with your legs crossed, straight elongated back with your hands on your knees, facing downwards to ground all of the goodness that this practice will bring. Keep a slight gaze or feel free to close your eyes and breathe here naturally. If it is comfortable, you can loosen the muscles in your face, dropping your mouth slightly open and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Feel free to lay flat on your back with your legs and arms spread out if this is more comfortable for you. Take a deep inhale in through your nostrils, then exhale it out with a deep sigh. With your eyes still gently closed, think about 3 small things that you are grateful for at this moment. These are factors that are free, caters to your love languages, or genuinely brings you joy. Breathe here naturally as you gather what you are grateful for today. Let's take a deep inhale in for 5 seconds. Hold at the top for 4 seconds. Then with a deep sigh out, exhale for 5 seconds. 2 more times. Take a deep inhale in for 5 seconds. Hold at the top for 4 seconds. Then exhale with a deep sigh out for 5 seconds. One last time. Let's take a deep inhale in for 5 seconds. We're going to hold at the top for 4 seconds. Then with a deep sigh out, exhale for 5 seconds. Find your natural rhythm and breathe here. Now let's think about 3 things that you are grateful for regarding your growth. Whether your own willpower, resources shared by others, the guidance of valuable individuals, are following your instinct because you are more aware with your mindfulness practices. This is the time to cultivate love and grace for your journey and how far you have come. Let's take a deep inhale in for 5 seconds. Hold at the top for 4 seconds. Then with a deep sigh out, exhale for 5 seconds. Two more times. Take a deep inhale in for 5 seconds. Hold at the top for 4 seconds. Then exhale it with a deep sigh out for 5 seconds. One last time. Take a deep inhale in for 5 seconds. Hold at the top for 4 seconds. Then one last deep sigh out for 5 seconds. Find your natural rhythm and breathe here. Any blessings we are grateful for and any lessons we are extremely appreciative of so that we can become our best selves and evolve into who we are meant to be. As you continue breathing naturally, find additional appreciation with your health, loved ones, the nature surrounding you, and your continued growth towards all that you have manifested and set goals towards. All right, beautiful beings. As we close this meditation, we manifest intentional thoughts, genuine thoughts, and peaceful thoughts. Intentional words, genuine words, and peaceful words. Intentional love, genuine love, and peaceful love. And if you would like added affirmations and manifestations, we are going to take a deep inhale in to prepare. And on your exhale, we are going to do I am power statements. I representing inspiration, A representing affirmations, and M representing manifestations. I am establishing gratefulness for all things, small or big, that contribute to my evolution. I am magical. I am divine. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am peaceful. I am focused. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. I am here to achieve optimal wellness. I am taking back my power. And I am grateful for another day and another opportunity at life. Thank you. Ashe. Now, if you are prepared to move forward with your day, we are going to go ahead and take a breath in to prepare and exhale and begin to awaken your body. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and toes, and close your mouth and breathe here naturally. If you are laying down, take an inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, turn over onto your side into a fetal position. Stay here for a moment, and then place your hand on the ground and lift yourself up into a seated position. If you are sitting, uncross your legs, release your arms, and shake both gently. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope that you enjoyed this establishing gratefulness meditation today. Feel free to save this for future reference. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of the day. Peace.